she is. Woo. 2 days later, and it's here. What is up? Welcome to the channel. And today we have a very super exciting video because I will be unboxing and assembling this 2023 We the People Crysis Complete. Really hyped on this. I've been riding my old BMX bike here. It's over a decade old now. I just started riding it again past like 6 months or so, and I'm really enjoying it, falling in love. But the bike is a little bit too big for me, the geometry, the specs and all that, and I can't get as technical as I want on it. I definitely want to ride more street, so I'm hoping that this will help me out here. So let's dive right into it. Alright, so I can't wait any longer. I am ready to get this thing out of the box and get it put together, so let's go ahead and do that. Alright, let's see. Where do we start? Oh yeah, by the way, shout out to Empire BMX over in Austin. I really wish I could have been able to go in person to pick up this bike and check out sort of the local scene over there, and the parks. I've seen they have like some dirt jumps out there. And yeah, as much as I wanted to go out there and check out the shop and all the parks and everything, it is like a 2.5 hour drive, and I don't know, I didn't really have the time to make the whole day trip, so I figured I'd just get it shipped. It wasn't too much for shipping since it's not that far away. And yeah, I kind of wanted to have the experience of putting it all together myself also. That seemed kind of nice, so I will definitely make my way up there soon. But yeah, shout out to you guys over at Empire, and thanks for the complete bike here at a sale price also. I was looking at Dance Comp and they had this exact bike, but the 21-inch on sale, but the one that I wanted, the 20.5, was not on sale. That's when I found Empire, and I was like, oh, that's a local shop, so I was happy to go ahead and support them. So alright, so there's going to be a bunch of crap in here. Let's see, what do we get out first? The bars are right here. Those bars. For now, yeah, I can't just there's not like a lever to take the brakes off without taking the grips off. So for now, I'm going to leave the brakes on there, but after I ride it for the first time, that'll be the first thing I'll do, is take off these brakes, because I really want to ride brakeless. These grips feel nice so far. Pretty good. Alright. Got our front wheel there. Set that aside. Whew. Nice, we got some Empire stickers and a free shirt because our order was over a certain amount. That's a cool shirt too. I thought it was just gonna be like a white t-shirt. Nah, that's cool. What size is it? I should have put my size in the notes, but should be the right size. Again, shout out to Empire. There we go. And then we should have, I think, the seat, and then we should have the pedals and then some other parts in there. So full chromoly, baby. And let's flip this over. My plan is to assemble this fully stock with the brake. and ride it for a good session or two, kind of feel it out. And then, like I said, the first thing I'll do is take that brake off, and then eventually I will start adding pegs and upgrade probably the grips, pedals, tires, stuff like that later down the line once I feel necessary. Alright, car mostly done. What are we missing? We just need some pedals now. Some pedals and then we'll be good. Alright. Definitely feels a little, you know, a little bit shorter, a little bit closer to me, so I'm gonna hope that really, oh wow. Oh wow. I need to weigh this bike because yeah, I can literally just do that and lift up the back end, like, it feels like no problem, so whew, that gives me some confidence. I'm really hyped to go ride this thing. Look at this thing all blacked out. I might have to get just a black seat. I might throw my old Haro seat on there. Whew, looking clean. Alright, let's get these pedals on there and we should be ready to roll. Wow, this feels good already, man. Alright, whew, I'm hyped. I'm so hyped. Let's check out this this shirt real quick before we finish putting this bike together. Yo, these stickers are so cool too. I like that Empire crown. I might throw that white crown on here somewhere. And then what else we got? 2003 Austin, Texas Empire BMX. Empire trend free since 2003. So sick. Shout out to you guys at Empire. Size medium, perfect. Dude, that shirt is so cool. I love that shirt so much. You know what? This might inspire me to put some gold on here. Some gold accents somewhere. I don't know. I'll think about it. Let's go ahead and open up. Let's open up these little parts box. This should be the seat, if I'm not mistaken. Always cut away from yourself. Boom. 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 Yep. I was correct. Seat and seat post. This looks like a nice seat too. Yo, I like that. I was kind of confused about how they did this, but I can kind of feel there's rubber around this too, under it. But I really like how, like, most pivotal seat posts have like this big rubber thing in the middle, and it looks kind of ugly if you ask me. But this nice little slit down the line looks really, really nice. So, all right, we'll leave that, set that down, and then we'll go ahead and open this one. That was a little risky there. Almost got away from me, almost dinged up the brand new bike. It's alright. Alright, what do we got in here? That closed aerial is kind of sketchy. It's a little hard to land consistently. Alright, looks like we got a little manual book. Complete Bike Owner's Manual. I'll definitely check that out. Ah, dang it! I should have opened this earlier. I just realized that the front hub guards are right here, so I will definitely, I guess I'll leave them off for now, because I'm going to throw on like pegs later, so I won't be grinding anything right now, so I'll leave them off. What is that for? I'll have to read the manual.
A manual? Reading's for yellow bellies. Let's go over there and not read.
Oh my gosh, look at these pedals, bro. Hold up. Look at these huge reflectors, bro. That is hilarious. I'm sure they're required to do that, but still, that's so funny. Crack these off. How do I... Oh, what? Yo, there's no way these are designed to stay in. Like, I don't know, maybe, but I guess they kind of stay in there, but they come out super easy. Man, listen to that cassette. It's a nice sound. Pedals are on, all right. Now we just gotta tighten everything up. Oh, we need the seat also. Can't forget about that. Look at this bike. All right, there we go. Yeah, this has like nice cushion to it too. Oh, that seat feels nice. Really liking that. All right, so, oh yeah, I gotta tighten everything up front. Woo! Feels good. I'm hyped to get rolling on this. All right. Dang it, it's still offset. I can't line this stupid thing up, man. But alright, I think that's about it. I'll just have to make sure to tighten everything down. But this is our complete bike right here. Whew, I'm really hyped to have this brand new complete BMX bike for me to try out and learn on. I'm gonna throw these brakes, get these brakes out of here as soon as I can. But yeah, I'm gonna ride it stock how it is right here and just get a feel for it, and then I'll let you know how you guys know how I like it. Alright, I'm just gonna take it out at 40 then.